When you try to use an external hard drive on your PC, you may see the following two types of error message in disk management. One is disk 1 unknown, not initialized, no disk space. The other is unallocated space. The error can occur for many reasons, such as disk not initialized, corrupted MBR outdated, or corrupted drivers, and so on. Based on these causes, we are going to show you 3 ways to solve the disk 1 unknown error. Before starting, please subscribe, then you won't miss updated videos. The first method is to check whether your driver is outdated. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, click Disk Drives. You may see your external hard drive here with a yellow alert. Right-click the hard drive and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. The second method is to use the command prompt to check the disk. So, hold Windows key and R key and type seam to open the command prompt in administrator mode. Next, type the command CHKDSK. For me, my error drive is F, so I continuously type F/R/F, then hit Enter. You can replace F with your target partition number. This command will fix the error of drive F. The command will start to fix the error for 2 minutes. Once it is finished, you can check if the error gets fixed or not. Method 3. Force hard drive to initialize with DISKPART command. Same, open the command prompt first. Type DISKPART. Hit Enter. In the pop-up window, type list disk. Hit Enter. It will show you all disks on your computer. Using clean will permanently erase all data on the selected disk. Always double-check the disk number before selecting a drive to clean. Find your error disk, then type select disk 1. Type clean and convert GP. If the error is still here, you may need to format this disk. Type create partition primary. And then type format quickfs equals entf. It will format the volume. Next, type assign. Finally, type exit. The error should be fixed by this method. Can I still recover the data from the formatted disk? The answer is of course yes. 4DDiG Data Recovery may be your savior. It is professional software that can recover all your data. First, launch 4DDiG. Find the formatted disk and click Scan. Here you can choose the types you want to recover. Then click Scan selected file type. 4DDiG starts to scan your disk. Find your data and select it. You can preview it, then click Recover. Select the location where you want to save the data. Now you can check your data. Alright, these are 3 solutions for disk 1 unknown, not initialized error. Hope they can remove your problem. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.